Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Desiree Marie and today I want to try something different with my hair. Today I want to do a hairstyle that I saw on Instagram and here on YouTube. It originated on Instagram with Essence of Shay. She did her very own, I think it's called like chain link hairstyle, which really resembles lock knots. And I also saw Keisha Charmaine do her hair in the same way. So I was really inspired to try it out on my hair because I know the two of these beautiful lock ladies have long hair, but I have kind of like medium length hair. So we're gonna see how this works out. I'm really excited because if you guys know, I just retwisted my hair last weekend and I've been trying to figure out what to do with it. I want to play around with this new length that I'm enjoying, and I also want to do my hair in a way that I could just keep it up and away from my hands, especially in the summertime. I just want to put it up and just pretty much forget it and still look cute. So I was really inspired to try out this particular hairstyle, and I thought it would be great to bring you guys along with me on the journey to trying it out and seeing how it might look on me. So if you're interested, definitely check out the two of these ladies' videos. I will link both of their videos down below in the description box down below. And be inspired to try this out yourself. It may look better than mine, I don't know, we're gonna see. But yeah, let's just get started here. Okay, so I have my rubber band. I'm pretty much going to section off the back because I like to start in the back always. So I'm going to put all of my hair, put it up and away from me, so that I can get started on the back here. And for what I know, she retwisted her hair into this particular style. I already have my hair retwisted, so I think I pretty much have like a head start. So what I want to do is moisturize my hair with this leave-in conditioner by Locs and Naturals. And I am going to just go right ahead and start it. I see that she used rubber bands on, I think on the ones that had like locks that were longer than the other ones. I'm gonna try my best not to use rubber bands just because I know from my experience, rubber bands have not really done me too well, the tiny ones that is. I like to use the big ones just because it kind of keeps my hair out of my way, but I don't know about using the small ones too much. So here goes nothing. Alright, so you're basically like tying your hair in knots, but not too tight. You're just like loosely tying it. And they're supposed to look like knots, or like some kind of DNA spiral. Very different. That's what mine looks like right now. I'm not really sure what to do with the ends. I'll probably just kind of tuck it up into one of the loops. There we go. I'm gonna have like a cute little short style, which I'm fine with. Okay, let's continue. I am putting my finger like right there just so that I can be sure to know how far I am tying the knots. I don't want to tie them too tight. Okay. It's going to look like a little afro. I can see it already. I'm just going to gently twist my roots so that I can be sure that the style stays in the right position, and my locks stay retwisted as I'm doing this style. Alright, so now that I've got these two ends here, I'm going to put them through the last hole. All right. Okay, so this is what I've got so far, and I gotta say, this is very cute. This is so cute. It resembles, like I said, the knots, the lock knots, and it kind of resembles like a very tight curl. I tried to do it like leaning to the right side just because I like that side part kind of thing. But it's not like hanging the way that I want to on this side, so I might just have to play around with them just a little bit. I don't know. But it's cute. It's really cute. But the application was really easy. It's not difficult at all. It's just that when you get towards the ends, like I believe Keisha Charmaine had said in her video, if you have ends that are uneven, it could be a little difficult to kind of even out the ends and make it into a blunt chain link. What I did basically was take the longer piece and just kind of wrap it up into the links. I had great success with these. Some of them, like this, I just kind of let the curl or the end of my lock just hang out. I'm not someone who's bent on like the perfection of any style at all, so I really don't mind if a few locks have some ends that are like poking out, like this one right here. No, actually I might have to fix that. It's cute. So I want to thank Essence of Shay for creating that Instagram video, and also Keisha Charmaine for creating the YouTube video on this particular style, because listen, okay, these styles are going to help us get through the summertime, because myself, I don't want my locks touching my back all the time and then having to think about what I should do with them and stuff. Listen, I just want it to be hands-free and just enjoy my hair as it is without having to keep touching it. So that's how I'm keeping my hair this far, and I hope that you guys are inspired to kind of try it out on your own. It is really fun, and yeah, if you've got nothing to do, give yourself about an hour and you can totally pull this thing off well. I didn't use any rubber bands at all, but you know, you may have to use rubber bands with your set of locks. Also, I didn't put any tension on the scalp, so I mean, if you're gonna do this, you definitely want to be careful not to tie the lock too tight in the very beginning, because that will be the base. And I actually had to kind of loosen out a few of my locks because I found that I was like tying it too tight at the root, and I really don't want to feel that throughout the day. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you guys try this particular hairstyle out, you know, it'll be great to kind of post it online and shout out Essence of Shay. Let her know that you tried this hairstyle out and how you liked it. But thank you guys for watching. Like I said, I will leave all the links down below if you want to check out any of the two ladies' videos. And I hope that you guys have a great week. definitely subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and stay tuned for many more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later guys, bye.